In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot workflows step by step for beginners. Let's dive right in and explore how you can harness the power of automation in your marketing strategy using HubSpot. First things first, make sure you have HubSpot open on your computer and are logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. From here, navigate over to the Automation section. This is your gateway to managing and creating workflows that can significantly optimize how you handle contacts and nurture leads. Next, you'll want to click on Workflows. This is the area where you'll be building out your automated processes. Once inside the Workflows section, direct your attention to the top right and click on Create Workflow. This button is your starting point in setting up a variety of automated tasks. For beginners, I recommend choosing Select from Template after clicking. Templates can be incredibly useful, providing a structured format that can be customized according to your needs and saving you from starting from scratch. As you explore the available templates, look to the left side where you'll find various categories. For now, locate Nurture Relationship and give it a click. This category is designed to help you maintain and strengthen connections with your leads and customers, a fundamental aspect of marketing automation. Within the Nurture Relationship section, search for the popular template and click on it. This is a great starting point because it contains widely used and effective techniques applied by businesses to engage and nurture their audience. By selecting this, you'll have the opportunity to tailor and customize the template, making it unique to your specific business needs and objectives. Now that you've chosen your template, your next step involves setting up the email you wish to send within your workflow. Crafting the right email is crucial, as this is one of the main touchpoints with your contacts. Here, spend some time drafting your message, ensuring that it's clear, concise, and aligned with your brand voice. Don't forget to consider personalization elements where appropriate to enhance engagement and connection with your audience. Once you're happy with the email and the overall flow of your workflow, navigate towards the finish line by clicking Review and Publish. This is a critical moment. It's your chance to double-check everything and make sure all the steps align correctly before going live. Once reviewed, hit Publish and your workflow will become active, helping automate the nurturing process effectively. And that's it. You've now set up a workflow in HubSpot, a vital tool in streamlining your marketing efforts and nurturing valuable business relationships. Remember, as you grow more comfortable with HubSpot, you can explore and create more complex workflows that cater specifically to your goals. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.